Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at how to use Google Meet. Google Meet is a virtual meeting platform, so you can do like meetings with webcams or remote meetings where everybody's connecting from their own computer to join a call. So to set up a call, just click on new meeting, or if you're going to join someone else's call that's someone made, like your boss or your teacher, they will send you a code or a link and you'll just enter that or paste that here, and you just click join, and that is how you join. But if you want to create your own meeting, just click on the new meeting button and then choose one of these. You could schedule a meeting, so it schedules at a certain time and date. You could create a meeting for later, so you just do it for later, or you could start right now. So let's say you have an emergency meeting you have to do, just click on that. And then allow, of course, because if you don't, what's it called? They won't be able to like see or hear you, that's why. And then after that, the meeting, like right now, I'm in a meeting right now. This is my meet, it's just me and it though. So if you want to add other people, click on add others, and then enter their emails. So I'll add in my own email here. And then it's just, you just send them an email, or you can just copy this link and then send them through there. And yeah, they just either click the link or go through the email and click the email and then join your call. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can set up a Google Meet. And if you want to leave call or end call, just click on the red hang up button. And then yeah, you could like do other stuff like filters, you could turn on captions. So let's say they are listening to you. This is like AI, it like automatically automatically puts a caption. So yeah, you can turn that on if you want, if you have having difficulty hearing. And then change layout, but that's not really necessary. You can close your camera with this button, mute that. Then to end the meeting, you have to go to more options, settings, just hang up call, and then yeah, that's pretty much it for this. And yeah, that's how you use Google Meets. Thank you for watching, guys.